alaikum. My name is Ammar bin Zubair from UKGG. Everybody loves eating orange, but today I will perform a very interesting experiment using orange. For this experiment, I am using 2 oranges, 1 peel orange, 1 unpeeled orange, container of water. I will rub this orange into the water. What do you think will happen if I drop this orange into the water? First, I will drop the unpeeled orange. The unpeeled orange floats on the water. Now I will drop peeled orange. Will it also float? Let's see. It sinks. This is because the unpeeled orange less denser than water. That is why the unpeeled orange floats on the water. The skin of orange is full tiny pockets of air that make the unpeeled orange less dense than water, so it floats. Jazakallah khairan.